How you can get Steve Madden discount coupon. First, go to my video description link and click this discount continue button. On the official website, they will show you a 30% off discount if you use this coupon SPRING30. Also, website top option, they will show you 30 to 50% off discount in different moment. Just click shop now button. All of this product you are getting 30% off, so enjoy the discount. The good part is, if you go to the website last option and sign up in the right option, you will get 20% off discount in the first order. And here you can see teachers discount, military discount, student discount, medical discount. All you will get 25% off discount with confident. If you face any problem, you can click need help option. They will support you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like my video and watch my other videos to get more discounts and updates. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you again new video.